Hi, my name is Ray. This is my 1956 Packard Patrician. I've had it for 18 years. A friend of mine in the Packard Club restored it. He bought it from a gentleman that kept it until he died from his estate. It's got a V8 engine, 374. There was 3,775 made. It's the last year of a true Packard. It's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power locks.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's just totally loaded. It's got electric torsion bar suspension.
Okay.
And the interiors are original. I'll show you the engine.
Okay. That is nice.
The engine.
Oh, look at that.
And this is the compressor for the air condition.
Right.
You know, and
Look at that. Look at that. And I see the vents going back to the
vents going back to the
right.
Yeah. That's the heater over there.
Okay.
So when you turn on the heater, it's quiet because
right.
the blower is right there.
Right. Exactly.
And
nice.
they didn't want to have any noise.
That is nice. And then how does this car drive?
It drives beautiful. Now, when I'm talking about the electric torsion bar suspension, you put objects in the trunk, it raises itself up.
Wow.
And also, if you nosedive, this car doesn't nosedive. It stays straight.
That is sweet. Why don't we close the hood so the wind doesn't bring anything down? And then look at it, the paint. You had this painted?
No, I didn't, but it was painted by a friend of mine when he restored it.
Okay. Right. Okay.
You know.
Take a look at the interior. I see
Sure.
you have a passenger.
Yes, that's my wife, Gail. The interior is all original. Of course, with the wind blowing.
Right. Look how wide this car is. This is a wide car.
Oh yes, very much so.
And look at the detail. Can you comment on the dash there?
Yeah, and in the center, on the center of the horn ring is the Packard crest from the family.
Okay.
And as you could tell, it's got all the gauges that are possible and all the knobs. Everything is there.
And you've got everything in working order by chance? Or
Yes.
is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
And and the glove box is in the center, so it's easier for the driver to get a hold of.
There you go. That's nice.
You know.
And is that compass original too?
Not to the car, but it is original to the for the period.
Okay.
And then the prism there is for so you could see it the stoplights.
Gotcha. So you can see up. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Right. And I like the liner up there.
Yes.
That is very sweet. And can we get a wave from your wife? No, a wave.
Oh wait. And then as you could see, it's got a footrest to make it easier for people that are short.
Right.
You can move it, and it's also got pillows. So,
does it really?
So people could be comfortable.
Wow.
It's like sitting on a couch.
Like,
And then look at this detail on the.
yes, it's all original. You know,
It is so nice.
yeah. I would hate to replace it.
How many miles on the car?
I just turned 80,
Okay.
and these are the vents for the air condition.
And what is that?
The air condition
Oh,
vents.
is it really?
Yeah, and I'll show you the condenser. Whoop. That's the condenser
Okay.
for the air condition. Now the Patrician was the top of the line 4-door sedan.
Okay.
And the hubcaps is a very rare option.
And I'm sorry to interrupt. Where do you put the fuel in? Is it on the side?
It's right here. It blends in very well to the side.
And let's continue this way. And you were saying about the hubcaps?
The hubcaps, if you could see the wire with the Packard, you can see it better on the front one.
Okay.
And
then we have the curb feelers.
And the curb feelers, yeah. It's a very rare option. People either went for the full wheel disc, the typical full wheel disc, or the wire wheels. And I had to search for these. A friend of mine in the club had a set.
Sure. And let's take a look for a moment at the accent right there in the chrome behind you. What would this be called? This right here.
Yeah, it's just decoration. Now this, I have the battery out. This lights up at night and when you open the door.
Oh, wow.
A lot of the new cars today have that, and they go, ooh.
Right. And you know what I've never realized is that where the handles are on the car, they're so high up.
Yeah.
I mean, they're normally here.
Uh-huh.
That is sweet. That is sweet. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, thank you very much for interviewing me for my car.
Please enjoy the next video.